Okay, so this is going to be a controversial video. Let's just put it out there and now. Let's just put it out there and now. I am going to be saying the things that makeup artists do not want to tell you. This video is going to be about things that MUAs do not want to tell you because they scared, or they really just have dignity and class and they choose not to say it to your face, you know. But like we tell a friend them also and say, oh man, I don't feel, but then she call and I'm money tall. I say, I'm on my way. No, I'll be there. That's okay. Yeah, she called. I'm eat her. I say, but I can go cause I'm money tall. So first thing, and this is just my experiences with clients. Makeup artists do not want you to book them. As makeup artists, we do not want you to book us, and then when we get there, there's another makeup artist there that we are not aware of. It's like you're in a relationship and you say,
listen, I want to be with you for the rest of my life, and to solidify that, I wanted to go on a date.
Gets to the date and there's like some other nigga there like,
hey, how you? Still the same thing, but you know we can work it out.
no boo-boo. We cannot work it out because would they call me? I were not sure. I were not sure who called first. I were not sure who would call first. I'm not sure. So because I'm not sure who she contacted first, I'm gonna have to be there like on the inside, but on the outside I'm like, girl, hey, you're the other makeup artist. Cool. So how long have you been doing makeup? I couldn't care less. How long you been doing makeup? I just couldn't. That's one. Two, do not ask me my monies if you can't afford my monies. What do I mean by that? Do not ask me how much I cost. Then I tell you how much I cost. The homie straight up, nope, I want a discount. It's like you feel entitled to a discount. Not that you go to Neiman Marcus, I don't know what that is. I'm assuming that's like a big shopping mall, clothing store. I'm assuming it's expensive because I've been hearing that name a lot. And go pick up a top or whatever they sell there. Is it a mall? If it's a mall, they sell stuff there. And then go, oh no, this is $500, baby. I cannot spend $500. Can I get a discount? This is great. No, you don't do that. Instead, you go there with your dirty money and you prepare for spend your dirty money by Neiman Marcus. Translation, instead you go there with your cash in hand, prepare to spend that $500. Let me localize it a little bit. You don't go per Mac. You're in Jamaica. Yes, we have one in Jamaica. Think of backward or something. Not saying that countries who don't have Mac is backward. Let's just move on. You do not go to Mac, take up a fixed plus for probably $2,000-3,000 and go, boo. Mama's gonna need a discount. Okay, listen, I'm helping your establishment. Technically, I'm paying you, ho. So I'm gonna need a discount. Okay, thank you. Call Mr. Mac. I'm gonna need a discount. Don't you go there with your dirty money. Prepare to spend your dirty money on the fixed plus. Alright? So do not come to my establishment wanting a discount because I ain't gonna give it to you. I'm lying, I always give discounts, but not like a lot, like probably like $20, $30 off or whatever, but not like a lot. But you know what I mean, we do not like that. If we give you our price, that's what we're charging. That's one. You need to understand where I'm coming from. I'm an internationally trained makeup artist. Thank you, Mr. Sebastian. I'm also a locally trained makeup artist. Thank you, the face please. I'm also an international trained educator. Thank you, Mr. Sebastian. And I'm also, I wasn't trained locally for that, but yeah. I'm also not really self-taught, but semi-self-taught, but I'm fully trained as a makeup artist, both locally and internationally. So apart from that, I'm also an educator in the said field. So apart from that, I own my own product line, I own my own lash line and my brush line. So apart from that, I own my own fitness line. I've been doing makeup upwards of 7 years. I've started from the bottom. Now I am here, boo-boo. So when I come in front of you, when you book me, you're getting everything from me. You're getting my 7 years experience. You're getting what I've been trained, and you're getting things I've learned along the way being a professional makeup artist. That is what you're getting. So when I price you. When I send you my price list, it's not to say, okay, it is saying I'm of a certain caliber. It is saying I'm of a certain caliber. And I always train my girls, whenever you price yourself what you're worth. Don't underprice yourself. Shoot, nigga, when you go out on a first date, do you go there looking like you've done bought Yeezys? When I say Yeezys, I mean like the ripped up collection. That's what I mean, like turp clothes, like ripped clothes, like not fashionable ripped clothes, but like dilapidated clothes, like dirty clothes, and your hair don't wash, you don't bathe, you have no deodorant, you wear the same drawers for 3 days straight. You didn't brush your teeth for a month. You do not go out on a first date like that. You go out and you present your best. When Lyric Rochester sits in front of you, that's me right here, I'm giving you the best, mama. The best. Even when I give you a discount, I'm still giving you the best. Know that. 3. What can I say for 3? When people come and sit in front of you acting like they know anything about makeup. Bruh, you don't know jack about makeup, so I'm gonna need you to stop talking. I'm gonna need you to stop doing this. You're doing this. I want you to do this. You're doing a lot of the no. You do no. You do not know jack. I had a client that me off, and I have what is this? I've never showed my frustration before on a client ever in life, ever, especially when that one client booked me to do her makeup, and as far as I'm concerned, I was the only makeup artist there. She booked somebody else saying, I didn't know you could have finished everything in one, but I didn't do that. I did not respond maliciously or rudely whenever when that one client, more than one, booked me and be like, oh no, I'm going to want to discuss. I didn't do that. But when this girl sat in the chair and proceeded to tell me everything that she want. Oh, no, not that. She pretended as if she knew everything. Oh, so we're going to prime with, I can use the Becca because my Becca is what I use. Oh no, I love using my Ecoshon Sequata. So I want my Ecoshon Sequata. I'm just like, okay, I wonder if homegirl knows that she's upsetting me. From the get-go, girl, she just had my man all discombobulated, boo, because she was acting like she knew everything. Oh, she's going to bake you, then she's going to set you with the Urban Decay, and I'm just like, bruh, just relax. Then she sat in my chair, mind you, I beat the yo, I beat that face down, honey. I beat her face house down, baby. Yes, I did, ma'am. But I could tell like the disappointment on her face, and I'm like, first of all, whenever you sit in somebody's chair, a makeup artist chair, and you're in the bridal party and you're not the bride, boo, it is not about you, honey. It is not about you. Nobody cares about you. You ain't the bride, nigga. You're not even the mother of the bride. You're not the mother of the bride. So why in your feelings? Why you feel like say you need to get the bride gets? You know what your bride money? And bride lashes? You know how much fun? Don't do it. Do not do it. Number 4. When they ask, I didn't know you charge for travel. Oh my god, rich. How am I gonna get there? How am I gonna get there if I don't charge for travel, honey? How? Well, I assume you take it out of the money that you get. No. The money that I get is to do your makeup. Boo, I have to get there in order to do your makeup. So, yes, honey, there's a separate cost for travel. No, I understand that this video may rub a lot of you the wrong way, and that simply means I am talking dead ass to you. That's what that means. So if you is offended about this video, honey, this is you. This is a mirror. This is you, boo-boo. Okay, just putting it out there. Number 5. When they peruse like a kit and they make a kit look like it's one little common or something, I'm like, do you know what I can do with black opal? Do not come for me, honey. I'm the wrong one. Don't do it, boo-boo, because all them fancy stuff you have in your kit ain't got jack on mama's skills, babe. Just saying. Number 6. What is number 6? What are number 6? I can't think of a number 6, so that's 5. 5 I have for you guys. Can't think of a number 6 right now. But if I do think about more, boo, I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna call it part 2. Because y'all need to be clocked. Y'all needs to be checked. Do not do it. Don't. Have respect for the person that you're hiring. And let me just say this. Don't ever think that the money that you're giving is helping, like, I pay you. I'm like, no, boo. If me not get your work, if I do not get your work, your mentee, your coin, honey, I'm still living. So we get into, and it's the mind of the customer. The customer is always right. Bull crap. That's the mind of it, and it's that mindset that has spilled over into everything else. Nigga, you ain't always right. No, it's like saying the sun is always shining 24 hours a day. It's not. We have the moon, but we needs the moons to come out. So don't do it. Don't do it. I'm warning y'all. I done told you what makes us mad, honey. I done told you what sets us off. So don't do it now. Because there are a lot of makeup artists watching this video and they're like, yes, Lyric, preach. Say that. Ooh, I know that's right, girl. Turn it up. I know she is preaching today, honey. Yes, boo, I am preaching. But that's because it's in my heart. It's in my heart. Because y'all keep doing it. And I may not always be nice. After this, I'm gonna film a video of my makeup artist confessions because I've done some shady things in my career. And I'm gonna film it right now. I'm just change my lip, change my earrings, so it looks like a new day. Which technically it's not a new day. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was very comical. I wanted to be comical. I wanted more talking videos here on my channel. I want to do this more of the talking. I like the more of the talking. I like the more of the using my mouth. The communication alive. Yeah, so if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really does support my channel. Whenever you thumbs up, like it comes up into like so like this video, like, oh, who is that? They click and say, oh my gosh, she's Jamaican, oh my gosh, I like your videos, and you know, that person may subscribe, so you're helping a sister out here. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's basically it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Pretend someone new, do you know? Alright, let's do this.